Unplug the laser cable. Loosen the handle screw. Remove the laser module. Use a 2mm hexagonal wrench to remove the screws. Remove the slider injection molding. Use the hexagonal wrench to remove the T-screws on both sides of the timing belt. Remove the timing belt. Pass the new synchronous belt through the synchronous pulley and connecting shaft in sequence. First, insert one of the T-screws into the profile along the X-axis direction. Press it onto the timing belt and tighten it. Pull the timing belt tight on the other side and insert the T-screw to tighten it. After installation, the synchronous belt is elastic when pressed, and the synchronous wheel slides without jamming. Use screws to install and fix the slider injection molding. Install the laser module and connect the cables.